The Moonglow, straight from the druids of the Moonglade, a sweet mystical cocktail made for the lunar festival. You'll need 5 simple things: vodka, elderflower liqueur, blueberry juice, tonic water, and a splash of simple syrup. Start with 1½ ounces of vodka. A clean, neutral vodka like Grey Goose or Tito's disappears into the drink and lets the other flavors shine. Add 1½ ounces of elderflower liqueur. Saint Germain is the gold standard here. Floral, honeyed, unmistakable. Pour in 1½ ounces of blueberry juice. Look for something cold-pressed with no added sugar. R.W. Knudsen or Lakewood are great picks. Shake the vodka, elderflower, blueberry juice, and simple syrup with ice. Strain into a tall glass filled with fresh ice and top it off with tonic water. Hold it up to a UV light and watch it glow like the moon itself. Cheers to the champion of Moonglade. Come back and sit down for another drink soon.